Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Myself, Aliri Ramchandra, once again in front of you to refresh the pranayama, package of pranayama. Main pranayams: Bhastrika pranayam, Kapalabhati pranayam, Anulom Vilom pranayam, Brahmari and Omkar Udgit. These 5 pranayams I will say how to practice again. As said earlier, we can practice with slow, medium or high speed according to our ability. And those who are suffering with high blood pressure, severe back pain and heart related problems, lungs related problems should not practice with high speed. Bhastrika pranayam, first I say how to practice with slow speed, medium speed and high speed. Keep straight spinal and sit straight either in Sukhasana, Padmasana or Siddhasana. This is Padmasana. This is Sukhasana. And this is Siddhasana. Now, the Bhastrika pranayam with slow speed. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Sorry. This is slow speed. If you want to practice with medium speed, according to your ability, medium speed is this is medium speed. Same can be practiced with high speed in this way. In any speed, you will have to fill up your both the lungs with full of oxygen and exhale. That is Bhastrika. To keep your both the lungs as well as heart 100% healthy and to eliminate all those problems which are connected to these organs. Then Kapalbhati pranayam. That can also be practiced with 3 speeds: slow speed, medium speed or high speed, as said earlier. To keep your entire body 100% healthy. That is the pill for all diseases. Any damn disease will be controlled by practicing Kapalabhati pranayam. Right from foot nail to head hair. Whatever the organs are there, every organ will become 100% healthy. There is no age limit. At any age, we can practice. Simply in this, you will have to pay your attention towards exhaling. When we exhale, by applying a little force, certain air will go in. That is sufficient to exhale another time. So, In 1 minute, 60 times we can exhale with slow speed. Yeah, 40 times, 40 to 50, like this. Say one stroke or one stroke in 1 second or 1.5 seconds. This is slow speed. If you double or triple the speed, that will be the medium speed. Say 80 times we can exhale in 60 to 80 times we can exhale in 1 minute, like this. Likewise, same can be practiced with full swing, means high speed, especially those who are energetic as well as young. In this way. That's it. That is the Kapalbhati Pranayam, which energize your all organs and set right the Panchaprana, Panchavayu. Then Anulom Vilom Pranayam. That is also to be practiced as much as time you give for Kapalbhati. Daily 5 minutes Bhastika, first one, and 15 minutes Kapalbhati, 15 minutes Anulom Vilom, Bhramari and Udgit, 3 times or 5 times, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, according to your time permits. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Simply use thumb, ring finger and middle finger to gently close your nostrils. With right thumb, right nostril is to be closed, and always start with left side nostril. Breathe in and close the left nostril with ring finger and middle finger. Release through right. Through which we release, through that side only you will have to inhale. If you keep this in your mind, you can practice this particular pranayam very well. This is also with, if you want to practice with the slow speed, like this. Even if we practice with slow speed, results will be the same. You will get the same results as you practice in middle or high speeds. Breathe in 2.5 seconds. Breathe out through 2.5 seconds. Again breathe in, breathe out. So, and clockwise, anti-clockwise. For doing this, 10 seconds it will take. Means only 6 times you can complete the round in 1 minute. Then, this is slow speed. Medium speed means just to double. 12 to 20 times you can inhale and exhale in 1 minute. Like this. And with high speed, 100 times or 120 times you can, even if it can be 200 times, just like Baba do in 1 minute. That's it. Entire ENT department will become 100% healthy. Not only that, there are 72 crore, 72 lakh, 10,210 nerves are there in your human body. All the nerves will become overhauled by practicing this Anuloma Viloma Pranayam. Not only that, even it helps in what it's called, awaken the inner powers. Means once your Sushumna Nadi is activated, that starting point of that Nadi at your Muladhara Chakra, that was in sleeping mode by birth. When we practice these two pranayams, Kapalabhati and Anulom Vilom, that particular power will be activated. Means that was by birth downwards. Its face was downwards. When we practice these two pranayams, it will be turned and face towards up and start the energy traveling towards up. Muladhara will activate, Swadhisthana, then Manipura, Anahat, Hruday, Vishuddha, Agna, Sahasrara. One after one, these energy powers, energy meters, chakras in yogic bhasha will be opened. Then the human can become Mahan, great personality, have tremendous powers, and he can do miracles. So, not only keep you 100% healthy, but also help in awakening our inner powers. So, one should daily practice pranayama without fail. That is only the first medicine for human body. Then Bhramari. Little ring and middle finger keep together and place gently on your eyes, respective eyes. Ensure the tip of your middle finger should be placed at the joint of eye and nose. Keep both the point fingers on forehead. With thumbs, you will have to close the ears in this way. Then breathe in and spell out Omkar, but ensure your lips are to be closed. Means by closing the lips, you will have to spell Om. This is Bhramari Pranayam. The brain power will be increased tremendously by practicing this Omkar as well as this Bhramari as well as Omkar. even any sort of headache will be controlled. Even migraine pain will also go away. Keep the brain balanced. 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, according to your ability and wish and requirement, you can enhance the number of times. Now, Omkar Udgit. Take your both the hands up, rub together, create heat, and with that heat gently polish your eyes, cheeks and entire face, and open your eyes in palm only, in this way. हर हर महादेव शंभो शंकर. ओम नमः शिवाय. ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. Please share my videos, like, and go through that my this channel Alluri Ramachandra Rao, where you will find few many videos pertaining to pranayama, asanas, surya namaskaras, yogic jogging, etc. etc. Thank you.